guys can go. Down here.
Oh no, I went down there to first see if I could find a route. No routes around. So over there, yeah, that there is quite solid. This is where I've crossed. Yeah. But once you get to that hard bit, and as you're about to cross the water, give power, because if you don't have enough momentum, you will be stuck.
Thanks, Chad. That's very comforting.
Well, momentum, you'll be fine.
It's bad, but it's not that bad.
No, there's a lot of traction.
It just looks bad. You see it down here?
Yeah. So you can go down here.
And then they're on the grass.
Yeah, and then everything over there is quite solid.
Okay, then we go cross along.
So if you're not too keen about going down, if you go that way, there's an easier way to go down. To take mine. This on the 790. I just looked at this and went, I don't know if I can get up.
So it's solid, it's not
No, everything's solid. Other than just that hill, I found it just to be a bit sandy. So just keep your momentum. I did it in first, so you should be able to do it in first.
If you're not cross there between the rocks, where he was pointing now.
Yeah, well, everywhere else I went to where he went.
But why is he going there?
Well, that's because that's where I've gone. He's following. Because I went a bit straight down here, then I turned the bike down.
I'm probably going to get
No, I think you can cross anywhere. He's just going where I've got, just the route's already there.
I think there between that it looks like a little road.
Yeah. But the traction, in my opinion, is fine. Dad, do you want me to take your bike down?
No.
Okay.
Come, Tim.
Take mine.
Which one's yours?
This one.
Oh, fuck.
No, I'm joking. Let's see if we can make it.
I think I could have come up this. It was just more the angle. I wasn't sure it was the 790.
Okay.
That's difficult, man.
No,
I've
it's
never
not.
gone up something like
I'm
this on a
just-
big bike.
Yeah, but yeah.
I must lean
Up
back.
anywhere, in my opinion, if you can see where the hard bits of the rock,
If you
I
have
wouldn't
to
go
pull
where
over,
the
rather
puddles
pull
a bit
this side.
bigger.
Yeah.
I'd stay
Don't
where
go
the
that
stream's
side.
small.
Dan gaan you fucking roll, yeah.
So yeah, probably
So when you
between
go
the
down
rocks
here
might
now,
be the best bit.
keep your foot
I don't know
on,
what's
keep
in
your
front
back
of
foot on
the
the brake.
grass. I can
Go
go
slowly, you
check
don't have to go fast.
Yeah.
If you feel like once you
Hmm.
it's going too fast, then you switch the bike off, or you leave it. Remove the brake.
Okay.
But don't go over. Sorry, just stay this side.
Stay on the left side.
Yeah, anders ga je voet af.